Hello, this is the Tradeside U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for the week beginning Sunday, the 2nd of February. February already? Wow. Until Friday the 7th. Full week for once. It's been a few weird weeks of holidays and stuff. Here's the this is the Euro Dollar futures. Dipped a little bit this week, but nothing major. So we're still looking at a stronger dollar than a weaker dollar. A pound dollar, same thing. It is what it is. Here's the ES front month futures contracts. This is the daily chart of the broad market. Not much of a week, to be honest. Very flat. I mean, we closed where we opened, type of thing. By the end of the week, still near highs. Obviously, the market holding up. S&P cash index, same thing. NASDAQ 100, on the other hand, did move up this week after a dip from the week before based on some of the stuff that came out of China, and it is what it is. The Russell 2000 held dead flat. I mean, how flat is that? Like, it's ridiculous. Crude oil dipped back down to $72 a barrel, and that's where they like to see it. So we've got all that is looking where it should be. We've got TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, moving up. So bonds up, rates down a little bit. We're still near the lows of the year, so that would mean the rates are higher than they've usually been. The VIX closes at 16.43. That puts the 10-day... It is what it is, but we can't do much about that. The VIX is what causes volatility in the markets, and we're just not seeing it right now, which is bad for day trading, obviously. But the options stuff has been working really, really well. Advanced decline ratio on the New York is here, and whatever. Trend closes at 1.36, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.02. Way above the 0.85, that's the blue line, that's the measurement of when we get the usual sell-off, so there's nothing there. I wouldn't worry about it at this point. ES for the week, you can see we gapped down on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and ended up filling the gap, and then came back down. So closed about where we opened for the week. It was horribly boring. NASDAQ, same thing, and the volume is what it is. In terms of the major numbers that we've got, we have Apple had a weird day on Friday, a big gap up, and then sold off. So we've got that going on. Not near highs. Amazon, near highs. Meta, at highs, made new highs this week. Google made new highs. This thing's just cranking right now. Google's the one that's doing well. Goldman Sachs also at highs this week. Netflix did nothing this week, but it's consolidating and it looks good for a breakout potentially. Tesla, it is what it is. Nothing there. And Elon Musk, whatever. What a mess. NVIDIA, nothing here either. After the gap down on the China's fake AI thing, crushed it on Monday, and the stock did nothing all week long. Zoom is almost at highs, and First Solar is still sitting at lows. So that's how the week played out. Nothing super exciting. And again, we have a full week ahead of us that's not holiday oriented, which is good, and we'll see what happens there. In terms of economic data, so for this week ahead, we've got nothing on Monday here in the U.S. at all. Tuesday, we've got the durable goods number at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Home price index at 9. CB consumer confidence at 10. Okay, that's fine. And then we already had a Fed announcement, didn't do much. Wednesday, we've got the goods trade balance and the preliminary wholesale inventories number. Crude oil inventories at 10:30 on Wednesday. Oh shit! I'm on the wrong week. Hold on, that's my bad. That is my bad. Let's try this again. All right, so final manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing PMI on Monday. Early in the morning, along with construction spending, not a big deal, and they're not going to change the world. Tuesday, factory orders at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And nothing else. Wednesday, almost nothing. We got the ADP non-farm employment change number, which the Fed actually looks to look at that number, so that'll be a big one. Final services PMI at 9:45. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. Is what it is. And then Thursday, unemployment rate, the weekly number plus non-farm productivity. Yeah, nothing else. Thursday, and then Friday. I don't see it. We have the unemployment rate Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, along with preliminary University of Michigan sentiment number after that. So that is the week ahead, and we will see what we get. Charts as usual, brought to you by NinjaTrader. If you've not yet taken trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading week.